Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Professor Dr. Ahmed Saeed Minhas, Vice Chancellor, DHA Suffa University. Dr. Tariq Rafi, Chairperson, Higher Education Commission, Sindh. Dr. Abdul Bari Khan, Chief Executive Officer, Indus Hospital. Dignitaries, distinguished guests, members of the Diplomatic Corps, faculty, and last but not the least, the degree recipients and their proud parents. Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's indeed an honor for me to be here today. I have the distinction, I was here last year also, about almost a year ago, last June. I was here when Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, Foreign Minister of Pakistan at that time, had been the chief guest for the third convocation, and I was with him here. So 50% of the convocations of this university I have attended, and it's an honor for me. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today for the fourth convocation ceremony of DHA Suffa University to honor the academic achievements of its graduates. On this auspicious occasion, I joined the university management, parents, and faculty in celebrating their success. It is deeply satisfying to see DHA Suffa University come a long way since it started its operation in the year 2002. Undoubtedly, the university has taken rapid strides in a very short period and continues to progress at an unrelenting pace. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take this opportunity to congratulate University's Vice Chancellor, senior management, and worthy faculty members for their efforts in shaping the future of young graduates. Your vision has been a beacon of guidance and has infused determination among students. DHA Suffa is well on its way to become a globally recognized institution for higher education and research, which would extend the frontiers of higher education, of knowledge, and contribute significantly to nation building. I feel confident that DHA Suffa's graduates have been equipped with multifaceted skills that shall enable them to embark on diverse career paths and prove their mettle in the challenging professional roles. I would like to appreciate and acknowledge DHA Karachi's role in providing quality education from playgroup to postgraduate level, including PhDs in engineering, computers, and management sciences. DHA Karachi has always given due emphasis to the uplift of quality education and made it accessible to Pakistani youth. Undoubtedly, the progress and economic prosperity of any nation rests in the hands of academia. Ladies and gentlemen, universities are meant to serve as technology and knowledge incubators, where innovative ideas are debated and future minds are shaped to lead the nation. It is a matter of immense pride for me to see DHA Karachi mindful of this reality, and its academic flagship, DHA Suffa University, is focusing on be the job provider instead of job seekers. Through its Center for Entrepreneurship and Innovation Center, Aghaaz, I am sure the self-employment trend being conceptualized and pursued by the DHA Suffa University shall help in sharing the Government of Sindh's vision and responsibility to provide jobs and affordable business opportunities to the youth of this province of Sindh. Let me also acknowledge the efforts made by Lieutenant General Babar Iftikhar Hilal Imtiaz Military, Chancellor DHA Suffa University, who has envisioned establishing an IT hub with the name of Innovista, where youth from Sindh in general and Karachi in particular shall be provided with an opportunity to contribute towards Pakistan's economy by having incubations and viable startups. I was fortunate enough to be at the at the launching of the event in this very room about a month ago or a little over that. Ladies and gentlemen, let me also acknowledge and congratulate management and faculty that all the academic programs of DHA Suffa University, may it be engineering, computer sciences, social sciences, or management sciences, have been accredited by respective accreditation councils, including PEC, NCAC, NTC, NBAC, and HEC. It is a testament to the university's unwavering commitment to academic excellence, quality education, and continuous improvement. The dedication of DSU's management to provide a world-class learning experience for students has earned the university this well-deserved accolade. Well done, Team DSU. Enough about the university and the faculty. I should say a few words to the graduating students today. I know it's a big day for you. I remember my graduation, which was a very long time ago, almost 4 decades now. I want to address you today. As I said, is your day. You, from now on, are going to embark either into your professional careers, or some of you may go on for higher studies. I met some of the parents whose children who are not here today, whose children have gone for higher studies. To the couple of them I met had gone to North America and the UK. I wish all of you success in your future endeavors, may it be pursuing of higher education or into the professional life. But as you embark into this new phase of your life, I would like you to remember 3 people who've shaped and made you what you are today. First and foremost, always remember your parents. They must have gone through difficult times in order to make sure that you are able to get this education at a prestigious institution. So always be grateful to your parents who've shaped you into what you are today. Secondly, don't forget your teachers and the staff at the university. They've also played a vital role in making you what you are today. And last but not the least, don't forget your peers, your fellow students. All of your life, you're going to remember the time that you've spent here, and keep in contact. And nowadays, with the digital platforms available, I've connected with people after 3 or 4 decades, and I'm sure that you will be in touch. So always remember your fellow students, and remember to pay back your university and pay back your country. With whatever knowledge you gather, make sure, whenever possible, come back to your universities and contribute for the betterment of this university, and most of all, contribute to the betterment of our country, which has given you everything that you have today. I wish all the graduates the best in their professional pursuits and urge them to play their respective parts in nation building. My advice to you is that after starting your professional career, you must remain sharply aware of the changes in the world around you. In today's modern AI-driven age, you must remain eager to embrace new opportunities which are created by the rapid technological advancements and socio-economic changes, both nationally as well as globally. It is also imperative that you continue to engage in lifelong learning and remain undeterred in the face of failures or hurdles that you may encounter in your professional endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, seeing the excellent performance and the growth of this university, I cannot resist trying to be a partner with this university. I, on behalf of the government of Sindh, assure you complete support, and I announce that to set up artificial intelligence labs here at the DHA Suffa University, the government of Sindh will make a sizable contribution. I request the university administration to send us a reference as soon as possible so that we are able to do this. Once again, I would like to congratulate all degree recipients of today's ceremony and extend my heartiest felicitations to their families and also to their teachers who are seeing the future being shaped in front of them. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Pakistan Zindabad.